Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Ali Asgar bin Amirullah and my metric number is A19A1007. So, our group topic, we choose industrial packaging. So, first we want to know what is the logistic itself. So, in general business sense, logistic is the management of the flow of things between the point of origin and the point of consumption to meet the requirement of customer or corporation. So that is the logistic definitions in general business sense. However, the logistic of physical items usually involve the integration of information flow, material handling, production, inventory, packaging, warehousing, transportation, and security. So all of this is focusing on the product or the item itself. So we choose industrial packaging as our topic. However, we should know what is the packaging first. So packaging is the technology, art, and science of enclosing and protecting the product of the item for storage, distribution, sales, and use. So actually there are a lot of kinds of packaging, but we choose industrial packaging. So industrial packaging is the packaging that used to deliver goods from the producer to the consumer or the customer. So that is industrial packaging. So in order to understand and know what is industrial packaging, we just need to study from the company, logistic company that are professional in this topic. So we choose DHL, Amazon.com, and JNT Express. Why we choose this logistic company as our study? So this company is actually well known in Malaysia. That is the first reason. And the second point, the second reason why we choose this company is because they have packaging system that are systematic and coordinated. So I think that's all for the introduction. So I think that's all from me. Thank you. So I shall pass to the next presenter.
Hi, my name is Putri Anis Natasha binti Megat Zabri, metric number A19A0765. I will talk about company's background. First is DHL company. DHL is the world leading logistic company over 280 countries. DHL was founded in San Francisco 40 years ago. DHL are the first letters of the last names of three company founders, which is Adrian Delsey, Larry Hilberg, and Robert Lin. Initially, DHL is a small company shipping papers by airplane from San Francisco to Honolulu that turned to global company shipping around the world. Next is Amazon.com. Amazon was launched in 16 July 1995 by Jeff Bezos, known as pioneer in e-commerce, with a tagline under the alphabet A, biggest bookstore and based in Seattle. At the beginning, the web page was designed for selling books with a message at the top of the website, which is "Welcome to Amazon.com Books." The general idea behind Amazon was to serve as many customers as possible with a variety of products that the volume business would generate profit for Amazon.com. Next is JNT Express. JNT Express is a Hong Kong invested courier company that operates in 7 Southeast Asia countries such as Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia, Philippines, and Singapore, that was founded in 2015. JNT Express has more than 4,000 offices, 3,000 drop points, and 200 gateways with large distribution equipment and more than 1,500 employees.
Thank you to our friends. I will continue the presentation. Good morning to sir. My name is Leng Shijian and my number metric is A19A0247. Today I will speak about the analysis and the discussion of industry packaging DHL. Quality packaging is when it comes to preventing damage. DHL will be consideration that will help you determine your packaging requirement. First of all is we consider the strength and the durability of the packaging box should be able be squarely hold the weight of the content being shipment. Next is the size and shape. Items should not touch the outer wall of the box to avoid damage. Next, customer need to choose suitable material for your shipping item of the external packaging material. First, material always use high quality corrugated cardboard boxes for parcel, for fragile of having object and avoid reusing old box. Besides that, fireback is also one of the external material in the DHL. Strength of the fireback is very important of the item, for example, documents to avoid split and tears. Next, we will continue to explore the internal packaging material of DHL company. Bubble wrap, airbag, cardboard, and foam peanut small ball are usually used as packaging material. Foam peanut will help to protect fragile items during shipment. Besides that, like foam peanut, bubble wrap provide your fragile item at protection and conclusioning. Next, we will continue to the applied packaging technique of DHL. First of all is keep 6 cm distance between box and the fragile goods and item. Besides that, it's important to completely firm epic space within the box to avoid content moving during transit, which can cause damage to both content and box. Now we will continue the packaging method. DHL have two types of the packaging method is basic packing method and the box in box method. First is the basic packing method suitable for most not fragile items, for example, machinery part, metal part, and plastic part. Second type of the packaging method is the box in box method. The box in box method utilizes a second outer box to provide additional protection. Now we will continue to seal and label shipment. A good seal help to protect your package during transit. Besides that, the technique to tapping the box is using head typing. Ensure all seals are sealed using the hash typing method. Lastly is apply the shipment label to the parcel box. Fix the shipment label squarely on the top face of the shipment box. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Aihanisa binti Saleh and my metric number is A19B1110. So I have choose Amazon. Amazon is multinational conglomerate technology company. They focus on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming and artificial intelligence. It is considered one of the big four technologies companies along the Google, Apple and Microsoft. Amazon is known for its distribution of well-established industries through technological innovation and mass scale. It is the largest online marketplace. The company is initially started as an online marketplace for books, but later it's expanded to sell electronic, software, video games, apparel, furniture, toys, and jewelries. Amazon has several types of distribution facilities consisting of cross-dock center, fulfillment center, sortation center, delivery station, Prime Now Hub, and Prime Air Hub. There are 75 fulfillment center and 25 sortation center with 125,000 employees. Okay, next is packaging construction. Product packaging must be rigid, six-side shape and rectangular, capable of stacking on a fluid-loaded mixed trail and surviving the parcel delivery network or less than truckload LTL shipping as validated by passing the ISCA 6 Amazon.com. Rigid and pet mailer package product should be defined as any package product where the volume is less than 13,000 cm3 and longest dimension is 457 mm or less and weight is 4.5 kg or less. The next is packaging sealing. All open edges must be adequately sealed to ensure the product remains protected while in the fulfillment center and throughout its distribution to the customer. Staplers are not allowed as a sealing method but are permitted on manufacturer glue joint. Locking tab must be properly sealed with glue or tape. For oversized products, non-metal strap or band are permitted to provide structural integrity to the outer shipper, as long as the straps are tightly fit around the product. Bundling multiple packages with strap or band is not permitted. Package printing and identification labeling. Package marking and labeling must be clearly indicate content and communicate any unique handling instruction. All certified package must also allow the labeling and carton marking requirement as outlined is in the vendor shipment prep and transportation manual available within the vendor center resource center. Easy to open. Tier 1 FFP packaging must be easy to open by the customer with minimal use of scissor or box cutter. Packaging must not contain blister pack, plastic insert, packaging peanuts, shred paper or welded clamshell. All content must be removable from the package within 120 seconds. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nona Rifa binti Romli. My matric number is A1980459. So, I choose JNT Express Company. JNT Express Company was founded by Hong Kong investor. JNT Express Company is an integrated logistics service that allows sellers to ship their package using their own packaging without any size restriction. Customer can arrange JNT Express to pick up the order from seller and deliver it to buyer. JNT Express is one of the most trusted company that doing a logistics service in Malaysia. Logistics service is generally the detailed organization and implementation of complex operation. In general, of business sense, logistics is the management of floating between the point of origin and the point of consumption in order to meet the requirement of customer cooperation. J&T Express will deliver their customer parcel with minimum days. J&T Express also said early delivery is the best for the customer. Their cost for delivery also one of the cheapest cost for delivery. Even though during MCO they didn't change their parcel price. So when the seller need to ship the parcel multiple times, J&T will very took extra care, especially for small or loose item. They must be placed in a container or placed bag, plastic bag, as well as each item is wrapped individually and sprayed with corrugated insert or other divider material as appropriate to avoid the damage, contamination or spreadation of item during transportation. Seller also can use bubble wrap to avoid damaged item. For bubble wrap, J&T also sell bubble wrap especially for their seller. So they will check the packaging to prevent damage. They also will keep remind the seller to wrap their item according ways given. For J&T Express, the item is the most responsible, their most responsibility for their customer. So there are two types of parcel. First, parcel flyer. Parcel flyer has a 3 different size. For the function is for small item, and parcel flyer is very weather friendly. So they will not cause damage, or they are really hard to be read. So for a second type is corrugated box. They have 4 different size. corrugated board was used for huge item, and they was sell by JNT for seller. That's all. Thank you.
I'm Wahafizu Arif bin Muhammad. So I will discuss about the conclusion. So in conclusion, our group choose DHL Express, Amazon.com and GNT Express because they operate business operation of logistic company that give inspiration to us to know better how they can build that big empire and manage the packaging with the million of package per day. So it was very interest for us to know how that three company, the big of company in the world, manage their culture, corporate culture, uh, to make sure the packaging is the packaging is good for their customer. So beside DHL Express, Amazon.com and GNT Express can manage its employee perfectly. Even some of them have discipline issues. However, however, he would not affect the business operation. A creative and innovative attitude that the owner practice in the business operation with a good business performance. Lastly, we would like thanks to DHL Express, Amazon.com and JNT Express, especially the manager and workers that passion to answer our question, although through gadget neither uh, worked uh, walk in to the store. Thanks also for the information from magazine or website that help us to studying to combine in this assignment to improve our knowledge because of pandemic COVID-19 that has limiting our movement.